Hey guys, welcome back. So I just did my Ipsy video. So if you're like, why are you literally in the same spot wearing the same thing? That's why. So I figured I'd do these both in one go because everything finally came. I did take a little peek because I had to make sure the giveaway item is in here, and it is, and I will announce that at some point in the video. So watch the whole thing. You do have to like, you do have to comment, and be subscribed, of course. And there will be plenty of giveaways. This one, oh, sorry, this one is specifically for Canada. Okay, coming up as my channel grows, I will move to complete international to everybody. But right now, this one is for Canada. Okay, so anyways, the first thing in here is I got the green Storybook Cosmetics. Okay, I would have almost rather like do that than this look, but that's interesting because I am not very adventurous at all. And I'm going to swatch this arm because this arm is covered in Ipsy swatches. So, oof, that's a gold. That's a gold, baby. Definitely. So I'm not going to do like the normal matte, like brown or whatever, because we all know what that is. That is a shimmery green. And then there's just your plain green. By the way, this is so soft. I love it. Ooh, that one didn't swatch very well, y'all. Try this again. Give it another shot. I don't know, but it wears different, right? Like, look how they ended up staying on my fingers. It wears different. We'll see. We will see. I always review on my Instagram, so you'll see me wearing this stuff. I'll tell you if it's good or not, or what, or if it wears well, like stays. I'm not going to put that in my makeup case right now. So that was wrapped. That's the only thing that was wrapped in this. So I was a little iffy about what the heck. It was just like this on the top. So with the bubble wrap. But I am happy that they did take care of it. So, oh, we have our card with our prices, and it is Whimsy. Now, that palette, the Storybook Cosmetics Robin Hood palette, goes for $35. So that's the cost of the box. For me in Canada, it's about $40 the cost of the box. But all these prices, I believe they're in US as well. So that's the cost of the box right there. And everything else is a bonus. So if you want to join, I was going to say Ipsy. If you want to join boxycharm, I will leave the link down below. So now I got this. If I can get it open. You guys can tell, like from last video to this video, I've definitely had a cup of coffee. So I've got the Marbled Light blusher. And there you guys are. That's what I have to film with right now. Okay. Should I? Yeah, I'm going to swatch this. Let's just see. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to make sure I get all around. Seems a bit dark, but we'll see. Like, did you guys see how much I swatched? Like, that's not much payoff at all. What is with these boxes? These blushes. I'm having some trouble with, like, these. I'm going to try this again. With, like, the payoff of these blushes. This is just, oh, there we go. I had to, like, put a ton on my finger. And wipe it on my pants because I'm already wearing the last blush. Should I? Oh, no, I'm not going to do that. Okay. So then I got Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick. It says Rouge. I hope it's red. Ultra Matte Formula and Flirt. Sorry, you guys. I went quiet for a second there. It's just because, like, I'm like, I cannot speak and read at the same time. That was an issue in school. Really, you guys? So this is another nude. Now, let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, they're not in here right now. So I'm going to keep this because I do like to mix it with pinks, but like stop, Boxy, stop sending me nudes. I had the Dose of Colors nudes. I had the Ofra nude. Like, just stop. I am like not that much into nudes. I like my pinks. But yeah, so that's that. It's the typical just nude. It's a flirt. Yeah. We'll see how it dries down. I want it to dry down a little pink, but let's just put it this way. I'm happy that, sorry guys, I'm happy that this stuff dries down really well. I did my look with my Ipsy actually now. Okay, so I got a Pro Series brush cleanser. Did you guys, if you watched my last video, comment down below and like, are they like psychic? Like, even though it was already here, but like I said, like all my brushes are dirty, all of them. Let's see what this, I do like to smell everything because I'm going to be putting the brushes in here and like putting it on my face. And I just want to know if my brushes are going to still smell after. Oh, look, it's already coming out. Jeez. That smells like alcohol. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so now I'm going to get into the giveaway. So right now, where'd it go? There it is. So I have the Tartè High Performance Naturals BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. I'm going to give away to Canadians, anybody in Canada. And then I'm also putting in this Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. And I'm going to just grab my palette and I'm going to show you because I already have it. Like, so this was the gift with purchase, not this, but like the palette, this thing. This is what it looks like. And if you open it up, those are the colors. Really, really nice. I use this one and this one as a highlighter. And I really like it. So I don't need two of these, y'all. So I'm going to give this away to one of my Canadian subscribers. Please be subscribed. Let's just not hit that too hard. Yes, I hear you. Please be subscribed. Please like and comment. And let me know where in Canada you're from. That's what I want to know. How many of my subscribers are actually in Canada? How many of you are around me? And yeah, so moving on. Let's my cat's just, he howls. So I did originally, they're fighting. I did originally try and get the, hey, the water cream, but I, be a good boy. Be a good boy. So I did cancel and then resubscribe and then cancel and resubscribe and then blah, 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 because it's Christmas and I didn't know if I was going to be able to afford it. So they gave me the LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, which actually after I picked the water cream, I was like, oh no, I really. So maybe boxycharm is, ooh, that smells rosy. Maybe boxycharm is psychic? What do you guys think? Pro Collagen Facial Oil. That is really cute. I have been like going mad with like skincare. I'm obsessed. Totally obsessed. Is that like, does it, ooh, that is really rosy, you guys. I am so excited. I love this. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Is that just mine? Hang on, I'm gonna empty this. It is crooked. Hang on. Do y'all see that? It is like, can you see? Hang on. It's legitimately crooked. Is that just mine? Or is that like everybody's? Please let me know. Please tell me. See, my cat he's driving me crazy today. Oh, I love the smell though. I am a big fan of Rose. Stop. You found this. He's just finding everything. I've got like a pile of his toys down at my feet right now. And he's like, why are you being so not fun, Mom? So this does feel kind of greasy, but it is oil. So hello. But yeah. Okay. This lip stuff held up pretty well being rubbed with oil. All right. But yeah, so that is that, I think. Yeah, that is all of it. So please follow those rules, Canadian subscribers, if you want to. That was smooth. If you want to win these, and I will mail I'll draw the winner, say New Year's Eve. And then what I'll do is I'm going to use a comment picker. And I'm going to, I'm going to use a comment picker. And I'm going to actually like comment under your comment if you win down below. And because they don't let me do those things yet. But yeah, if you want to donate to my channel, there will be a link down below. If you want to follow me on any form of social media. I've now just created a Twitter. I have an email. I have an Instagram. I have a Facebook page. I have everything. So if you want to follow me on all those and just see copious amounts of selfies and cat pictures, then do that. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.